Camille Bustamante started the
Good
season as a reserve, but now getting some minutes. Regalo para kay Shai.
Good timing.
7-all is our tally. Omipon now operating from the service line and she gets an ace. At sa aming pagbabalik, as Perpetual has this 1 point. Navarro. Sapin. Omipon. What a set by Minmin Sapin.
Imagine, medyo broken play na yon. Ang ganda rin ng adjustment na ginawa ni Omipon going for that down the line attack kahit na yung facing yung body niya sa cross court.
This is Cha Enrico. Sapin setting it up for Shai Omipon who went down the line.
Good vision.
Itong si Gina Espina.
Nito ngayon ko lang siya nakita sa loob ng court actually.
Let's see if they can give her a good pass for a good play. Oh, Omipon!
With the help of the net, Omipon. Hindi niya na pinapalo eh. Parang Espina lang ginagawa niya sila nakatayo yung Jammers. Hoping na
De La Cruz. Sapin. Omipon!
sa spike ni Kagalawan na no way in.
Regalo para kay Shai Omipon. And now Coach Edgar Baroga